The 2023 event was filled with all things Tesla, including a synchronized light show that showcased the Cybertruck. The light show was held on Friday and was synchronized to the final countdown. A dazzling display of coordinated lights and music.
Recently, a leaked video from Giga Texas shows the Cybertruck assembled by hand. The video confirms that Tesla continues progressing in its initial builds of the Cybertruck as deliveries are near. Onlookers should look at the unique exoskeleton as depicted in the video.
A video from a subreddit by user RealPokePop has given us a first glimpse of Cybertruck's rear-wheel drive feature in action. Control over all four wheels is crucial for a rugged road beast like the Cybertruck. In the Reddit video, we can see the Cybertruck turning its front wheels to reverse through the parking garage, but if you look closely, you can also see the rear wheels shifting ever so slightly. Rear-wheel steering doesn't usually allow drivers to turn the rear axle to the same degree as the front axle, but even that little extra wiggle room can make a car vastly more maneuverable. This technology significantly decreases the Cybertruck's overall turning radius at low speed, giving it unparalleled maneuverability for a vehicle of its size.
The Tesla Cybertruck is rolling off the production line at Giga Texas. With its futuristic design and unparalleled performance, it's set to redefine the electric pickup market. Rivian, GM, and Ford, they've all made their move. But the Cybertruck is here to shake things up. Tesla Cybertruck, it's not just a truck, it's a revolution.
Tesla Cybertruck, with its futuristic design and capabilities, is a game-changer in the automotive industry. The Cybertruck is not just eye-catching, it's also incredibly energy efficient, with high-performance electric motors that deliver exceptional speed and power. This pickup truck is perfect for those who want a vehicle with strength and agility. Inside, you'll find a spacious cabin with state-of-the-art technology features for entertainment and safety, making every journey a delightful experience. The Cybertruck also has advanced autopilot features that make driving easier and safer. But that's not all. The Cybertruck has unique features that differentiate it from any other truck in the market. The body is made of ultra-hard stainless steel and armored glass, making it more durable than any other truck. Cybertruck's adaptive air suspension system allows it to adjust to terrain, providing a smooth ride on any road.
According to Elon Musk, the Cybertruck rear light bar will make it to production. This suggests that the all-electric pickup truck may indeed be entering its initial production in the near future. Via Twitter, Elon Musk has confirmed that the rear light bar will indeed make it to production.
Be sure to like and subscribe for more updates like this one.